Well, this is going to be controversial. Let me ask you something. Have you ever bought something that wasn't the genuine article, knowing that you could have gotten it from the official place? Well, this is the kind of quandary that I'm in at the minute. I got this Thunderhawk model from Aliexpress. I bought it maybe, I don't know, 6 weeks ago. It's been stuck in UK customs for nearly a month, but we'll not get into that at the minute. And this model itself is not out of print. It's available on the Games Workshop website, but I saw it on AliExpress. It was less than half the price of the official model, so I thought, you know what, why not? I've wanted this model for probably about 18 years in one variation or another, and it was there. It looked shiny, it looked cool, so I got it. Now, I know a lot of people probably would frown on that. As I say, the model itself is not out of print. It's available on the Games Workshop website. Oh look, there's a cameo from my T-Rex Terminator. Anyways, it's available on the Games Workshop website, so I could have got it from the official source if I wanted to. Now, the model itself, as it arrived, it came today. It's not perfect by any stretch of the imagination. There are some defects that I'll need to fix, and I can see there are going to be some disadvantages with this. Defects I can't fix. I'm not going to be able to get a replacement part for. There's no instructions. It came just in a box with bubble wrap, and that was it. And I foresee I'm probably going to get some backlash for this. But honestly, for me, I got this model because it was available. I wanted to. It was at a fair price, and it's something I've wanted for a long time. I do actually own an official Forge World model. It's the Chaos Warhound Titan that I've been working on for what month are we on now? October. I've had it since June, and that itself is coming along nicely. I am going to make an official video on this. I don't know if I'm going to make an official video on this one, the actual painting part of it. More probably just have it as a set piece, but we'll see. Now, I did get a little bit of feedback from the Brain Trust, a community of YouTube creators like myself, and on Instagram, and the vast majority, or the consensus it seems, is that people aren't really that bothered if it's a recast or not. I mean, the model itself, it's fairly high quality. People seem to be alright with the idea, and I did ask the few people I asked. Some of them say, "Oh yes, publicly we'll condone this. We wouldn't support this kind of action." But then privately, I was getting messages saying, "Oh, can I have the link to the store? I might be interested in some items myself." So I think most people are probably in the same boat as me. Is that yes, it's not ideal. Probably should get it from the official source, but at the end of the day, it's a product that is available at a fair price, and sometimes the products themselves are not available from the official sources. This is the only way to get them, and in my mind, that is acceptable. Now, as always, I like to hear feedback. I'd like to hear feedback on this topic, whether you think I've done the right thing or not, how you feel about recasting and getting things from alternative sources. Also, I'd like your feedback on what I should do next. How should I paint the Thunderhawk? How should I paint the Chaos Warlord Titan that you've just seen briefly there? All feedback is welcome. As always, make sure you like, comment and subscribe on this video. And yeah, I'll see you next time.